Due to lack of GPS indoors, getting the interior layout of a building is a very time-consuming process. With the technologies developed at Robotic Paradigm Systems, we can make the process of getting these interior layouts quick, less burdensome, and very affordable. Today, we're going to scan the interior of a church in Marietta, Georgia, in order to generate a pre-fire plan for their local fire station. So the church is about 26,000 square feet in size, and we scanned and videotaped the church in a little over 9 minutes. There were just a couple of rooms and closets that we didn't have access to. So due to our natural gait when we walk, RPScan does scan points along the wall at different heights. So ultimately a 3D image is generated. Since we only care about 2D at this point, we have the ability to post-process the scan. And what we do is we take a horizontal slice of the cloud and collapse that slice so the scan is in 2D. We also have the ability to break up the scan into multiple pieces if we so desire. So as we're scanning a building, all of the data is recorded so that it can be played back at any time. The scan playback, of course, is much faster than the actual scan. In this particular case, it took less than 3.5 minutes to play back the 9-minute scan. In the end, as you can see, we have a nice scan image that shows the interior of the building. The results of post-processing can be an image file, like a PNG file, or a data file, like a PTS file. A customer can request these deliverables for their own use, or they may want us at RPS to take the data to the next level. We've partnered with the Cad Zone, and a lot of their programs like Crime Zone, Insurance Zone, and Fire Zone will allow us to insert an image file to be used as a guide to build a more sophisticated floor plan, like a pre-fire plan. We load in the satellite image of the building, and using this measure distance feature, we measure a part of the satellite image, keeping in mind the interior is a bit smaller than the exterior view. Then we import the image file, in this case it's a PNG file, from our scan and scale the image file such that it matches the same scale as the satellite image. Using this image file as a guide, as you can see, we can draw lines to create the structure of the pre-fire plan. Once we're done, we can enhance the structure by adding doors and other symbols that may prove helpful to the firefighters. Once complete, we group all the individual elements together, and by rotating and moving, we can overlay a copy of that group structure atop the satellite image of the building location. The completed floor plan is then delivered to the client. The church will use the floor plan internally, as well as provide a copy to the local fire department. We look forward to helping you too.